This tutorial review will show you how to make photo background blur in iPhone. So first of all, open your browser and type here photo background blur online. Open any website from here. I'm going to opening this photo.com. Tap on blur background now. Tap on photo. And now select the photo. You want to change the background or make background blur. Tap on choose. And now select your blur. Select your object and increase the blur intensity to make the background blur. Using this circle, adjust your object. Once done, tap on OK and tap on this download option at the top right corner. Tap on download, open in, tap on save to files, select a folder and tap on save, and go to your files app, and here you will get the edited photo. And to save this photo to your gallery or Photos app, tap on the share icon at the bottom left, tap on save image, and that's how we can make photo background blur in iPhone without any app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.